Hey there! Welcome to Superior Detailer LLC. Today we're going to show you how we actually maintain our Modesta coated cars. This is our shop car, aka the Subaru. It's a 2010 STI with 78,000 miles on it. It's got Modesta coating on it. So today we're going to show you just how we maintain these cars. It's a cool temp. Car is not warm at any minute. It's actually cool and ready to be washed. So after we do the hand wash, then we'll get to the maintenance products. Alright guys, here we go. The car is washed. We just rinsed it. There is no soap left on the car at all. And now we're about to apply the M4 Smoke Wet application. This is the conditioner that actually cleans the pores of the coating. So right here we have the bucket that we use to wash the car with. This is the rinse, so there's no soap in this bucket here. This is the rinse bucket side. So we use this with barely any soap on it. Then you're gonna go like this. Make sure your trigger is open, obviously. And then do heavy sprays, come closer. Do heavy sprays, like that. Like that. And you take your wash mitt that doesn't have a lot of soap on it, or any soap at all, and you just kind of massage it into the paint. Massage it into the paint. Then you come here, do a heavy spray, massage it into the paint, and if you come over here, you do a little mist. Same here. Same here, get a little closer. Do this right here. Then you basically just kind of rubbing in using just a spray here or there. There you go. Got that one right here. Now here, check this out. Here's the front bumper. 2 sprays. Pretty much got it in. And you notice how it flattened the beads. That's when you know the conditioner has got into the coating. See how it flattened the beads? All right, that's well written. So come over here. Same deal, 2 sprays right here. That is conditioned. Put it in, nice little spray here. Boom, that whole door is done. 1, 2, 3, light mist. See? And then that door is done. Then once we do this, then we go to the rinse. Fun part, the last. This is the M2 Blast, the blue spray. AKA what we like to call the dry spray, which you apply to the paint when it's actually dry. See, we washed and dried the car. Now it's time to spray the sealant, AKA M2 Blast. So you got your nice plush microfiber towel, nice little mist, a little bit goes a long way. So you're just gonna rub, do your first swipe here because you're gonna essentially flip the towel once you've massaged the product into the paint. So you flip that towel, there you go. That's all it is. A little mist here. Massage. Then flip. Boom. Same here. Massage. Then flip. I like to do this almost, not every single time, but every single time I clean my car. What basically this stuff does is just make sure the paint stays very slick, protects the coating, and adds more shine and gloss. As you can see, the paint is getting shinier. Believe it or not, this car can get shinier. A little mist there on the fender. Massage, like I like to call it. Flip, finish. Massage, flip, finish. And there it is.